Hello guys! This is the first of a series of videos where I'm sharing with you the material that I'm using to teach Python for my daughter. She is a teenager and I'm trying to give her some information about computer science and how to develop softwares. The main topic of this first class will be how to install the Python, how to use an IDE, and how to develop our first application and verify if everything is working. It will be important to see how the development life cycle works. So take a breath and let's start. When we start to learn something new, it's interesting to get motivated to start this new journey. The first question of my daughter, it was about the reason that she is learning program. And I have explained to her she needs to learn program as she has learned math. She's learning math because she will apply on your dailies. You use math in every place. And because now our society is so connected, it's present the computer science in every place. I told her that she needs to understand the basic of the program because she will understand better about the computers, about the programs and apps that she uses every day. But I found this site where we have 10 reasons why you should learn programming. When you read, you will see that in general it's related about the technological era that we are living now. Second, about jobs and salaries. And third, about creativity and the high income potential that you will have because you will be able to create applications. You will understand how the computer, how the programs, how the service works, and probably will facilitate your job, your work. Please pause this video, read about the reasons, get motivated, and after we will start our coding process. Before we start, we need to go to the python.org and download the language. So download the last version, in this case Python 3.9. You save on this folder. Okay, it's easy to install, it's on Windows application. Run. It is important to mark this, add Python to path, and your Windows will recognize the language. So let's install. Okay, close. And we need to install the Sublime text. This is the IDE that we will use in our course and to develop some Python applications. Download for Windows, on my case. I will save in the same path. It's a Windows application, it's similar to run and install. Okay, next, here to export the context menu, install. Good. Now, in your terminal, you can use the Windows terminal. Okay, you can put the Windows key R and type CMD and you will open the Windows terminal. I'm using this commander. If you want to download, I will put the link on the description. Okay, and let's see if my Python is working. So Python version. My Python is not working, so I need to add manually the path using the environment variables. To fix, I need to go to environment variables. So if you put env, I select edit system environment variables. Next, environment variables. Okay, look for path, edit, and here you will go new and browser. And locate the place where you have installed the Python. That's okay, 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 okay. Let's see. Let's try again. Python version. So now my Python is working. So the version is 3.9. Now let's start our Sublime. Okay, our Sublime is working too. Our first application will be the classic and famous Hello World. It's a simple application. So you will type print and the message that you want to print using double quotes or single quotes. Okay. So hello world. Save your file. I've selected one folder on my machine and I will give it the name hello underscore world.py. In case of Python, the extension of the file needs to be py. So when you save as py extension, like hello world py, automatically the Sublime text will be able to identify as a Python code. Let's run our application. So go to Tools and Build. Python, select Python. And here it's your application running. You are printing hello world. Okay, let's do another test. Hello world, I am learning a new language. I will save, tools, build. Have our message. One shortcut is, I will modify again, Control B. It's the shortcut to execute your application using Sublime. Other way to execute your Python code is using the command line. I need to go to the folder where I have saved the file. Okay, dear, I see, hello world py. And if I want to execute here, I put Python and the name of the file, hello world.py. Enter, and I see my code running. On this case, I am printing one message. So our code, we have only one line and we are given one instruction. This instruction is print. Print is a keyword used by Python. Python is a language, so because it's a language, has your own vocabulary, your own syntax and rules. On this case, we are using the print. Inside the print, the message using double quotes, and in case of Python, you can use single quotes too. Control B, and we have the code running on the same way. This is the most simple application using Python. Congratulations! Now you have your first program running. Finally, we need to understand what we have done. We have implemented the one hello world.py, the source code that is read by Python, and Python provides to our operational system the instruction that we have written, like print. And the operational system is responsible by getting the Python high-level instruction and convert into the machine language. This machine language is used by the hardware, by our machine. Now we have the big picture about the development process. We have the source code written by us. This source code will be read by the language. The language gives the instruction into our operational system, and the operational system is responsible by the communication with the hardware, with the machine. Congratulations! We have finished our first class. I hope you have enjoyed it and learned something. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. See ya!